Yes, hello, my name is Aiden, and today we're going to be making the classic Windows game SkiFree using Unity.
SkiFree. SkiFree. SkiFree.
So we've got the player all set up, we got the sprite in there, it's going down the hill based on the mouse position, and it gains speed over time, so that feels pretty good. And what I'm working on now is the obstacles. So spawning and despawning tiles of obstacles based on the player position. I was getting a little stuck, so I took a break, had a snack, and gonna get back into it now. Okay, we are done day one of re-implementing SkiFree. We've got the skier moving around, going down the slope. We've got trees you can run into, and we're even taking care to clean up trees that are far enough away that we're not concerned about them anymore. So that's where we end off for day one.